The Gulf Coast holds some of the biggest secrets in the world. That is, if you're an avid fisherman. Well, today, Nautical Outdoors is going to take you into the mysterious world of fishing in the Gulf, where catching just about anything is possible. We will be uncovering some of the most effective tips and tricks for successful beach fishing in this beautiful region. First off, we must discuss timing. The early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the fish. An early morning fishing session can yield fantastic results. As the sun rises, fish come closer to the shore to feed, making them easier to catch. Also, consider the tide. High tide usually means more fish, so keep an eye on those tide tables. Now onto the gear. A long, sturdy surf rod is your best friend on the Gulf Coast. It allows you to cast your line far into the surf where the big fish are waiting. Pair that with a high-capacity spinning reel. This combo enables you to handle the hefty species that call these waters home. Bait is another crucial factor. Live shrimp, squid, and mullet are popular choices along the Gulf Coast. However, artificial lures can also be effective. Experiment to find what works best for you. Moving on, we delve into the art of casting. Aim to cast your line past the crashing waves into the calmer waters beyond. That's where the fish are. A good, strong cast can make all the difference between a successful fishing trip and a disappointing one. Next, we talk about patience. Yes, fishing requires a lot of it. Once your line is in the water, it's a waiting game. Keep a close eye on your rod tip for any signs of a bite. And remember, sometimes the biggest catches come to those who wait. One more thing to consider is safety. Always check the local weather forecast before heading out. The Gulf Coast can be unpredictable, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Also, remember to respect the local wildlife and leave no trace of your visit. So, to summarize, for a successful fishing trip on the Gulf Coast, remember these key points. 1. Timing is everything. Early mornings and high tides are your best bet. 1. Gear matters. Invest in a sturdy surf rod and high-capacity spinning reel. 1. Bait. Live shrimp, squid, and mullet are popular, but don't be afraid to try artificial lures. 2. Casting. Aim to cast beyond the crashing waves. 1. Patience. Fishing is a waiting game, but the rewards can be worth it. 1. Safety. Always check the weather forecast and respect the local wildlife. With these tips and tricks in your tackle box, you're well on your way to a successful fishing trip on the beautiful Gulf Coast. Happy fishing!